Good morning, friends. Happy Thursday. It's nice to see you today. I'm glad that you're with me. We're going to sound out some words today. We're going to review tricky words and learn a brand new one. So let's go ahead and get started. Remember, like we did yesterday when we're sounding out words, when we get to the end, if there are still more sounds in the word, we come back to our index finger and thumb again. So here we go. Some of these words will be shorter and some of them will be a little bit longer. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Here's our first word. Listen carefully. Ringer. Ringer. That's a hard one. The ing is hard to break apart. Let's try one that's similar to that one. Singer. Singer. So we have ringer and singer. Let's try this one. Simmer. Do you know what simmer means? When your family is cooking dinner on the stove and you boil something, then sometimes they will say to turn the heat down and let it simmer. So you turn the heat down on something and you just kind of let it sit for a while and warm and cook while it's getting a little bit of heat. That's called simmer. Simmer. Okay, let's try another one. Summer. Okay. Supper. Supper is another word for dinner. Some families might say, let's have dinner. Other families might say, let's eat supper now. Okay, here's another one. Did you get that? Oven. Oven, where we cook our food in the oven. Okay. Mixer. Here's another one. I'll try it one more time. Freezer. Next word. Toaster. And then we have one of these in our classroom and you have some at home. Here's the word and trash can. That's a long one. Okay, let's review the words that we've learned so far. The first word is of, from, read them with me, to, when, word, all, one, the, why, I, where, no, so, what. Now today we're going to learn a new word, and this new word is this one right here. Which. We have the tricky word which. In this word, let me use it in a sentence. Which flower would you like? The daisy or the rose? Or which book was your favorite book? Okay, so this word, the I says I, just like we would expect it to, and the CH says ch, just like we would expect it to. The part that makes this a tricky word is the W and the H, and we've learned that the WH says woo in other words like what and where and when, because we know that the WH is a digraph where two letters work together to make one sound. But if you don't know that, the way that you would want to spell the word is WICH, just with the W being made with the W, okay? But in this word, just like the other question words, what, where, and when, this one has the W and the H that work together to make the W sound. So that's why this one is considered a tricky word, okay? So the word is which. What's the word? Which. Spell it with me. WHICH. Which. Very good. So this is the correct way to spell which. All right, what we're going to do on Nearpod today is you're going to do something that we've done before, so this shouldn't be too confusing to you. You have your words up in your word bank, and then the questions that you will answer. Okay, so the first one, let's read the words up in the word bank. It's I, where, and know. And then question number 1 says, a fish has blank legs. So you have to choose one of these words that fits or makes sense in that blank of the sentence. A fish has blank legs. Number 2 says, I can't find the shop. Blank is it? Okay, and number 3 says, can blank ring the bell? All right, and then the next page that you will do on Nearpod today is this one. Your words up in the word bank are so, what, and from. And then number 4 says, Ross got a black pen, blank Ned. Ross got a black pen, blank Ned. Number 5 says, that dog is blank bad. And then number 6 says, blank is in the chest. All right, so you will pick an answer that makes sense in the sentence. You'll write the word on the lines and then click submit so that Ms. Hales will receive your assignment for the day. All right, tomorrow we will not have a phonics lesson. We will all be getting together on Zoom to do something fun with Miss Nelson. She has some exercises that she has planned for us, and I'm sure that we'll have some other activities on there. So it'll be a fun chance for all of kindergarten to come together and see one another and do some activities together. So I hope to see you tomorrow on that Zoom call. More information will be coming from your teachers, okay, about what time and where the link is and all of that. So have a great afternoon. Get your work done. Thank you.